Oh, here's the key to my car, Rob. Yeah, yeah. You can't drive it, though. You gotta haul it. It don't drive. You gotta take it on a trailer. Oh, there's little Tommy. If I had my jackknife, we could take this truck. I don't have my pocket knife on me. Ooh, that's a nice drain. That's a real nice fucking drain right there. Oh, those are nice straps. I really like that strap over there. Oh, look at this. Look at this box. Oh, there's nothing in the box. Nothing. Oh, but this welding helmet is cool. Fuck yeah. I really don't know what the fuck just happened here.